Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mind Body Wellness. I am Anjelika, certified health and life coach. And today I wanted to talk about habits, how to break the old ones, how to build new ones, and how to stick to the change. How many times we try to start something new, build new habits and give up old ones, just to find yourself on square one in a couple of weeks. Let me tell you something no one teaches us early enough. Change doesn't come from trying harder. It comes from changing smarter. You don't need to overhaul your entire life or rely on bursts of motivation. You just need a system that works for you, not against you. That's the core idea behind of one of my favorite books on behavior change, Atomic Habits by James Clear. In it, he shares a powerful truth. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So, if you're struggling to stick to a habit, it's not because you lack willpower. It's because the system needs tweaking. Let's break this down coaching style. Start with who, not what. Don't start with the goal like lose 20 pounds or write every day. Start with identity. Who are you becoming? Say, I'm becoming someone who prioritizes her health. I'm becoming a person who creates, who moves, who shows up. Every time you follow through, even a tiny step, you cast a vote for that healthy identity. That's how habits stick. Shrink the habit until it's stupid easy. Most people fail because they start too big. The solution? The 2-minute rule from Atomic Habits. If it takes more than 2 minutes to start, it's too much in the beginning. Want to meditate? Sit and breathe for 60 seconds. Want to journal? Write one sentence. Want to run? Just put on your shoes and step outside. You're not trying to be perfect. You're creating momentum. Stack new habits onto old ones. Use what James Clear calls habit stacking. It's simple and brilliant. For example, after I brush my teeth, I'll stretch for 1 minute. After I make coffee, I'll jot down my top 3 priorities. This pairs the new behavior with something already on autopilot. Design your environment to work for you. Don't rely on discipline, rely on design. Want to eat better? Keep healthy food visible and prep ahead. Want to read more? Leave your book on your pillow. Want to work out? Lay your clothes out the night before. When your surroundings make the right things easier, consistency becomes natural. Never miss twice. Missing a day is human, but missing 2 is a slippery slope. The key is to bounce back, not beat yourself up. You are not aiming for perfection. You're building a pattern of showing up, even when it's messy. Final thought. The habits you repeat shape the person you become. So do not underestimate small wins. One healthy choice, one act of alignment, one moment of integrity. That's the real work of transformation. Your job isn't to be perfect. Your job is to keep showing up with grace, with intention, and with systems that support the life you are building. Start small, start now, and let the ripple build. Inspired by Atomic Habits, shared with coaching love. So if you like my video, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for being here today.